Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Today we going to learn the Arabic language to speak or learn or reading the Quran with meaning. So if you learn the Arabic language simply, you can read the Quran with meaning. You can detect the meaning of the Quran. First, we going to some small words from the Arabic language. First, I will draw the picture of the words. What is this?
We learn small words. We can easily understand the meaning of.
We can easily understand meaning. What is this? In English, that is house.
House.
Then, what is this?
Pen.
In English, we can tell this pen.
Okay.
But in the Arabic language, that is bait. That is baitun. Baitun. We say that bait. In Tamil, bait. That means weed.
Okay.
Then that is a pen. In English, we can say this in Arabic like qalam. Qalamun. Qalamun. We can stop this word qalam.
But we say kalam.
But we say in
collected
qalam.
words.
In Tamil, qalam means pena.
Pena. Okay.
But we learn this Arabic small simply words. We can ask some question. That is, what is this? That question is, what is this? What is this? We can ask this question. So, what is this? It is the Arabic language. Is the English language. In Arabic, ma hada.
Mahada, and in Arabian speak like ish
Ishhada.
hada. Ish hada also the same meaning. Mahada, ish hada.
Ma means what? Ma means what? Ma. Hada means that. Hada means it or that.
What
That
is
is
that? What is that?
That is the root word ma hada. What is this? Ma hada. What is this? Bait. So,
How we say that?
how we say that? Hada
By.
bait. Hada baitun. We can start this word hada bait. Then what is this? Qalam. So, hada qalamun. We can stop this word hada qalam. What is this? Ma hada. What is this? Ma hada. Hada bait. That is, this is house. This is house. So this is house. Hada bait. Ma hada. Hada bait. Hada bait. That is house. Then ma hada. What is this? Ma hada. What is this? Hada qalamun. That is, this is pena, or that is pena. Hada qalamun. This is pena. This is pen.
This is pen. Okay.
This is pen. So ma hada. What is this? Hada bait. This is house. Ma hada. What is this? Hada qalamun. Hada qalam. This is pen. Then we shall learn another two things. That is, what is this?
Shirt.
Shirt. In Arabic language, that is qami sun.
Qamisun.
Qamisun. We can stop this word qamis.
Qamish.
Qamis. What is this? Ma hada. Ma hada. What is this? Shirt. So that is hada.
Hada qamish.
That is qamis. Shirt. That is shirt. So hada qamisun. We can stop this word. Hada qamis. Ma hada. What is this? Qamis. So hada. That is qamisun. Qamis. Shirt. That is qamis. Ma hada. What is this? This is shirt. Ma hada. What is this? Hada qamis. This is shirt. Then another word we can learn. What is this?
Chair.
Chair. In English, that is chair. In Arabic language,
Kurshi.
this is means kursiyu.
Kurshiyu, but we call that kurshi in colloquial language.
Kursiyun. We can stop this word kursi. Kursi.
Colloquial means it's a nadaimure page.
Nadaimuri page. Kursi. So we can ask question. Ma hada. What is this? Ma hada.
Mahada means
What is this?
Mahada eshhada.
Ma hada or yashhada. Ma hada means what is this? So that is chair. So we can say this. Hada. This is chair.
Kurshi.
So kursiyun. We can stop this word kursi. Ma hada. Hada kursiyu. What is this? This is chair. Ma hada. What is this? Hada qamis. This is shirt. Ma hada. What is this? This is chair. Hada kursiyu. That is qamisun, but we can stop this word qamis. Hada qamis. That is the kursiyun, but we can stop this word hada kursi. Hada kursi. This is chair. Hada qamis. This is shirt. Then we should learn another two words. That is what is this?
Star.
Star. In English, that is star. But in Arabic language, that is na ij mun. Najmun. But we can stop this word and say najm.
Najm.
Najm. Then we can ask the question, what is this? Ma hada. Ma hada. Star. So hada. Hada. This is najmun. So we can stop this word najm. Hada najm. This is star. What is this? This is star. Ma hada. Hada najm. Then the another word. What is this?
Key.
Key. In English language, that is key. In Arabic language, that means
Miftah.
miftahun. Miftahun. We can stop this word and say miftah. Then we can ask the question, what is this? This is key. So ma hada. Hada miftah.
Hada miftah.
Hada miftah. Miftahun. We can stop this word miftah. Hada miftah. What is this? Ma hada. This is key. Hada miftah. What is this? Ma hada. Star. That is star. So hada najm. What is this? This is star. Ma hada. Hada najm. What is this? This is key. Ma hada. Hada miftah. Then we should learn another two simple things, that is what is this? In English, that is door. Door. In Arabic, that is bab. Babun. Babun. In Tamil, vasal. இதுக்கு வந்து வாசன்னு அர்த்தம் வரும், கதவுங்கிற அர்த்தம் வரும் பாபுக்கு. ஸோ the door means in Arabic language bab. So we can ask the question, what is this? What is this? this is door. So hada
هذا باب.
babun. We can stop this word and say bab. Babun. We can stop this word bab. What is this? This is door. Ma hada bab. Then the another thing is what is this?
Book.
This is book. In Arabic language,
Bun.
kitabun. We can stop this word and say kitab. So we can ask the question, what is this? This is book. So ma hada kitab. Hada kitab. Kitabun. We can stop this word and say kitab. What is this? This is book. Ma hada kitab. What is this? This is door. Ma hada bab. Then we should learn another two things, that is what is this?
Cart.
Cart.
It look like cart.
In Tamil that is kattil. In Tamil that is kattil. In Arabic language that is sarirun. We can stop this word and say
Can you please
sarir.
change the marker?
Thank you. We can say this sarir. Sarir. So we can ask the question, what is this? Sarir. Hada sarir. Ma hada sarir. That is hada sarirun. We can stop the word and say hada sarir. What is this? That this is cot. Ma hada sarir.
Okay.
Then the another thing, what is this?
Masjid.
Masjid, mosque.
No, we should call it's masjid.
In Arabic language that is masjidun. We can stop the word and say masjid. Masjid. So we can ask the question, what is this? This is mosque. So ma hada masjid. Hada masjidun. We can stop the word.
Change the word masjid. We don't in English. Delete that one. We should call masjid only. Mosque means it's give
Mosque.
some another meaning. Mosquito, mosque, face mask, like that. It's the meaning will change. Right in masjid also in
Masjid.
English. Masjid. We called in Arabic masjid.
We can call in Arabic masjid. So we can ask the question, what is this? This is masjid. Ma hada masjid.
Okay.
Now at the conclusion, we can learn simply 10 words from today. So if you can learn these 10 words day to day, you can also learn, and your children can learn these things by the picture. So we can learn and teach another one to know the Arabic language. So assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.